Clients use various solutions for analytics, dashboarding, and visualizations. These may include Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, and SAP Analytics Cloud. It's often a challenge to populate these solutions with data from your SAP system. You may struggle to extract the relevant data, or you may also be worried about taking your data outside of your protected, secure SAP or SuccessFactors systems. With the certified Query Manager Analytics Connector, you can dynamically share your secure data with your analytics solution of choice, all without replicating the data or making a copy of that data to be stored elsewhere. The Query Manager Analytics Connector gives your analytics solution access to data on demand from your HCM and payroll data from your on-premise SAP system or from your integrated SuccessFactors system, including SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central Payroll. If you want to see more of the Analytics Connector in action, feel free to reach out to your regional Epiuse Labs contact, or as always, you could reach me at Danielle@labs.epiuse.com.